Hello, year 7s, or no, sorry, it's year 8. So, well, I'm teaching both this year. So I'm just going to show you how you can use the random number to come up with it for your statistics assignment where you have to choose various values. So to find that, we press the probability button, and you can see across here, across one is the word rand. It's like a bit zoomed in. We can go a bit closer. How's that? All right, so we've got rand on here. So we go arrow across till we get to that one, and we can go RandInt. Now RandInt stands for a random integer, and an integer is a whole number. So we can press RandInt, and for now I'm just going to press RandInt and see what happens. Syntax error. Well, that wasn't very good, so maybe I have to type a number in. 1. No, it doesn't like that either. Okay, why is that? So because we've got to do 1. I've actually forgotten how to do it. I think we've got to do 1, 10. Remember rightly? There you go. And what is that doing? It's doing us a random number between 1 and 10. So if you had your assignment where you've got a class, so in my class I've got 24 students, then we arrow up, copy that line again because I can't be bothered to find it again, type in 24, that's a lie actually, what, 27. 27 students, and it will give me a random number between 1 and 27. Thank you for watching.